Welcome back to the channel. Today we have some groundbreaking news in the world of cryptocurrency. Bitcoin has officially blasted past $90,000 and analysts are predicting even bigger moves to come. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. We'll be diving deep into Bitcoin's price action, exploring the factors behind this surge, and analyzing whether $100,000 is really within reach. Plus, we've got updates on Ethereum's highly anticipated network upgrade and its potential impact on the market. And hold on tight because we're not stopping there. We'll also be uncovering which altcoins are poised for explosive growth as the entire crypto market heats up. So buckle up, grab your coffee, and let's jump right into it. Alright guys, let's talk Bitcoin. The king of crypto is back and it's making headlines once again. As of this morning, Bitcoin officially smashed through the $90,000 resistance level, reaching a new all-time high. This surge has sent shockwaves through the market, and for a good reason. We haven't seen this level of bullish momentum in quite some time. Now everyone's asking the same question: is $100,000 Bitcoin finally inevitable? Well, to understand where Bitcoin might be headed, we need to look at what's fueling this incredible rally, and trust me, there are a lot of factors at play. First, we've got institutional adoption on the rise. Major companies like Tesla, Square, and MicroStrategy continue to add Bitcoin to their balance sheets, signaling a growing belief in its long-term value. Second, we're seeing increased interest from retail investors. With Bitcoin constantly in the news, more and more people are looking to get in on the action, further driving up demand. And let's not forget the ongoing global economic uncertainty. With inflation fears and geopolitical tensions on the rise, Bitcoin is increasingly being seen as a safe haven asset, similar to gold. Now, all these factors combined create a perfect storm for Bitcoin's price to skyrocket. And while past performance is never a guarantee of future returns, the current market sentiment is undeniably bullish. Analysts are predicting a potential parabolic rally, with some even suggesting that $100,000 could be just the beginning. Imagine that, a single Bitcoin worth six figures. Of course, it's important to remember that the crypto market is known for its volatility. We could see pullbacks and corrections along the way, but for now, Bitcoin is on an absolute tear, and it's definitely an exciting time to be invested in this space. Now let's shift gears and talk about Ethereum, the second largest cryptocurrency by market cap. While Bitcoin is grabbing all the headlines, Ethereum is quietly gearing up for a massive upgrade that could have a significant impact on its price. This upgrade, known as Ethereum 2.0, has been in the works for years, and it's finally about to be implemented. It's a complete overhaul of the Ethereum network, designed to address some of its biggest limitations, namely high gas fees and slow transaction speeds. For those unfamiliar, gas fees are essentially transaction fees that users pay to use the Ethereum network. And as you can imagine, with the growing popularity of Ethereum-based DeFi applications and NFTs, these fees have skyrocketed in recent months, making it incredibly expensive to use the network. Ethereum 2.0 aims to solve this problem by transitioning the network from a proof-of-work consensus mechanism to a proof-of-stake system. This shift is expected to drastically reduce gas fees, making Ethereum more accessible to everyday users. But that's not all. Ethereum 2.0 will also significantly increase transaction speeds. Currently, Ethereum can only process around 30 transactions per second. With the upgrade, that number is expected to jump to tens of thousands, making Ethereum a much more viable platform for large-scale applications. Now, you might be wondering how this upgrade will impact the price of ETH. Well, the general consensus among experts is that it's incredibly bullish. A faster, cheaper, and more scalable Ethereum network is expected to attract even more developers and users, driving up demand for ETH. And with a fixed supply, increased demand naturally leads to higher prices. Some analysts believe that Ethereum could even outperform Bitcoin in the long run thanks to its strong fundamentals and the potential of its smart contract platform. So keep a close eye on Ethereum, guys. This upgrade could be a game changer for the entire crypto space. Now, with Bitcoin and Ethereum making big moves, it's no surprise that the rest of the altcoin market is also heating up. We're seeing some serious gains across the board, with certain altcoins absolutely exploding in value. But with thousands of altcoins out there, it can be overwhelming to know which ones are worth your attention. So, let's break down some of the top contenders and see what's driving their growth. First up, we have Solana, a high-performance blockchain platform that's been gaining traction as a potential Ethereum competitor. Solana boasts incredibly fast transaction speeds and low fees, making it an attractive alternative for developers and users alike. Next, we have XRP, the native cryptocurrency of the Ripple network. While XRP has faced its fair share of regulatory hurdles, it remains a popular choice for cross-border payments and has seen a resurgence in price lately. Another altcoin worth mentioning is Cardano, a blockchain platform focused on security and sustainability. Cardano has been steadily growing its ecosystem and is attracting attention for its scientific approach to development. And let's not forget about Chainlink, a decentralized Oracle network that provides real-world data to smart contracts. Chainlink plays a crucial role in the DeFi space and is well-positioned for continued growth. Now, it's important to note that investing in altcoins carries a higher risk than investing in established cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. However, the potential rewards can also be much greater. If you're considering adding altcoins to your portfolio, it's crucial to do your research, understand the technology behind each project, and invest only what you can afford to lose. Remember, diversification is key. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Instead, spread your investments across multiple promising projects to mitigate risk. So there you have it, guys. The crypto market is on fire right now, with Bitcoin leading the charge and altcoins following suit. It's an incredibly exciting time to be involved in this space, and the future looks brighter than ever. Remember, this is just the beginning. As more people realize the potential of cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology, we can expect to see even more innovation and adoption in the years to come. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for real-time crypto news and market updates. What's your Bitcoin price prediction? Comment below.